Welcome back. You're cooking with Vincent in Sal's kitchen. We had to step outside for a second, check out our grill. All right, now we have over here, check that out. There's our medallions, okay? And what I did was I just put a little coating, you see there? The ancient Chinese secret so it doesn't stick to anything. Light coat, all right? Now usually you use olive oil, sometimes you can use vegetable oil. If you're working in a commercial kitchen, you probably use vegetable oil, all right? But at home, use olive oil. But with these, what I've done, because they're going with the eggplant, is I've coated them with butter. Now, butter makes everything better. So I mean, like, if life hands you lemons, just add butter, because it's butter. Butter. Now, when life does hand you lemons, make lemonade. Now, if you come close, you guys, check this out. This eggplant. Here's our eggplant that we sweated, all right, and it's right there, okay? And I'm just gonna shut that off, okay? And we are going to, now, when your eggplant is done, it'll look like this. And what you do is you put it on a paper towel or a cotton cloth, okay? And this is Sicilian style, which is just plain and fried in olive oil, okay? With a little salt and a little Italian seasoning. Now, what I like to do, don't tell anyone, and I'm giving away family secrets here, but what I'm gonna do is, you see that eggplant?